welcome to Ever Belena Makeup Beauty Tutorial. Pink is always a lady's color, kaya this will be an inspiration for today's soft pink makeup look. Let's get rid of any blemishes muna by dabbing Ever Belena Powder Foundation in light natural and concentrating on parts that need extra coverage. Gusto rin nating well-shaped ang brows, kaya I'll use Ever Original Pencil in brown to fill in the sparse areas. Dahil we're going for a soft pink look, pinili ko ang Pink and Plum palette ng Ever Belena 12 Shades Eyeshadow. Start with the pink shade for the lids, tapos contour it with a darker shade. Dapat both are blended well. Finish it off with a highlighter on your brow bone. For a pop of pink sa cheeks, use Ever Belena Cheek Blush in Shine with a brush included inside. And for my lips, I got Ever Belena Shine Lipstick in Brilliant Pink. Just apply it straight from the tube. How lovely you are when you try this makeup style, whether you're on a date or just a casual day. Watch out for more tips from Ever Belena Makeup Beauty Tutorial to help you shine beautifully every day.
Ang bahagi ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Ever Belena.
Beauty shines from our heart. Beauty that no one can take away from us.
What makes me really shine? Ever Belena. It's everything I need.
My face is radiant with complete line of facial makeup, various tones and shades.
For different skin types, my eyes reveal true feelings with fabulous lines of eye makeup. Shadow, line,
Brighten.
I can speak my heart out with fantastic lines for the lips. I feel complete.
Evie, beauty shines in you.
Mas